Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing great and stay safe at home. Today we will continue our chapter number 5 part 2 video. In this video we will start our topic measurement of temperature. We know that heat is a form of energy and temperature is an indicator of that energy. We often feel that we can get an estimate of the temperature of a body by just touching it. However, though our senses do give us an idea of temperature, they are often unreliable and misleading. For example, if we remove an ice tray and a packet of frozen vegetables from the freezer compartment, the ice tray may appear colder to our hand even though both are at the same temperature. Therefore, to know the relative hotness or coldness, that is the temperature of a given body, we use an instrument for this purpose. Measuring temperature. The unit of measurement of temperature is degree Celsius. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The tool for measuring temperature is the thermometer. Before proceeding further, first let us clear the difference between heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy. Temperature, the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Heat can do work. Temperature cannot do work. Heat is measured in joule and temperature is measured in degree Celsius or Kelvin. Heat transfers from a hot area to a colder area. Temperature increases when heated and decreases when cooled. Now let us discuss about the measurement of temperature. Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. Temperature is measured in degrees and temperature is measured on two scales. One is Celsius and the second is Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius, degree C is the symbol for the Celsius scale and degree F, degree Fahrenheit is the symbol of the Fahrenheit scale. The Fahrenheit scale is the most popular in the United States. Celsius scale is most commonly used in the Canada. Thermometer. Thermometer is an instrument that is used to measure the temperature. So, we have discussed that there are two degrees of temperature, degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. Temperature thermometer. We find that many of the physical properties of different materials change with change in temperature. We can therefore use these properties as a measuring temperature. So, clinical thermometer. The thermometer that is measured the temperature of our body is called clinical thermometer. It means the temperature that measures the temperature of our body, that temperature is called as the clinical thermometer. Construction of clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer has a long narrow glass tube. It has a bulb at one end containing mercury. It has a scale called Celsius scale marked in degree Celsius or degree C. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The clinical thermometer has a small kink near the bulb to prevent the mercury level from falling down. And students, do you know the normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Now, how we read the clinical thermometer? Let us find out. Wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 degrees Celsius. Then place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue. After 1 minute, take out the thermometer and note the reading. This will be your body temperature. And students, nowadays digital thermometer is mostly used. So let us discuss about the digital thermometers. Digital thermometers are preferred over conventional mercury temperature. These thermometers are easy to read as they give a LCD display of the temperature of the person, and they are also mercury free. So nowadays mostly digital thermometer is used. So I hope about the temperature, measurement of temperature, and about the clinical thermometer and digital thermometer, all these concepts are clear to you. Thank you very much.